What's up? What's up? My name is Jelani Khalid Askia Lynch. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm the CEO of Ambition of the City Financial Education and Credit Repair. I'm also a graduate of Dominique Brown's 30-day credit repair agency program. This program has completely changed my life. It's changed the trajectory of my family's life. I'm making more income than I am making at my full-time job right now. I can really quit my job if I wanted to, but there's a couple things that I need to get before I leave. Before I got into this program, I was on the internet searching for, the answers. I was searching for something that, can bring me a steady flow of income. And when I stumbled upon, his program, and then I got to, kind of witness him interact with his family. I got to see that he was the real deal around this business. It really just made me, press the button, and it was probably one of the best decisions I've made in a long time. What surprised me the most about the program really was the amount of detail that he goes into through each module. It's extremely detailed. When he said he takes you from start to finish on how to run a six-figure business, like, he's not joking. It's not a lie. He gives you every piece of information that you can possibly think of to get you to the next level. If you're on the fence about this thing, I'm going to be honest with you, don't be. Like, hop off the fence, get in it. You have to invest in yourself. There's not a lot of success without you investing in yourself. You are your most important asset, and you have to have the information in order to build your business and get things off the ground. Honestly, like I said before, yeah, this thing has taken me from here to here, and, like, I'm talking about in a matter of months. And I'm really excited to really keep learning, because life is about learning continuously. I'm excited to see what Dominique Brown has next. I'm gonna stay involved. He is, he makes sure that he becomes your lifelong mentor when it comes to this thing, and that's really important. He's hands-on, he's available, he's responsive, and he really, really, really helps you take it to the top. And I just want to salute you, brother. Thank you so much. Peace out.